This Monday on Degrassi.
This is a special weather statement issued at 11:47 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wahkiakum County in southwestern Washington, central Pacific County in southwestern Washington, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:47 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Francis to Ilwaco and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Long Beach, Grays River, Francis, Ilwaco, Nassau, Seaview, Deep River, and Chinook. This includes the following highways in Washington: U. South. Highway 101 between mile markers 3 and 22 and near mile marker 29. State Route 4 between mile markers 1 and 19. State Route 6 between mile markers 16 and 24. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within these storms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.